Hi, this is Bob Gersh with East Coast Capital. And today's topic is, are home prices going up or down? That depends. Are home prices going up or down? That does depend. Media coverage about what's happening with home prices may be confusing. A large part of that is due to the type of data being used and what they're choosing to draw attention to. For home prices, there are two different methods used to compare home prices over different time periods: year over year and month over month. Here's an explanation of each. Year over year. This comparison measures the change in home prices from the same month or quarter in the previous year. For example, if you're comparing year over year home prices for April 2023, you would compare them to the home prices for April 2022. Year over year comparisons focus on changes over a 1 year period, providing a more comprehensive view of long-term trends. They're usually useful for evaluating annual growth rates and determining if the market is generally appreciating or depreciating. Month over month. This comparison measures the change in home prices from one month to the next. For instance, if you are comparing month over month home prices for April 2023, you would compare them to the home prices for March 2023. Meanwhile, month over month comparisons analyze changes within a single month, giving a more immediate snapshot of short-term movements and price fluctuations. They're often used to track immediate shifts in demand and supply, seasonal trends, or the impact of specific events on the housing market. The key difference between year over year and month over month comparisons lies in the time frame being assessed. Both approaches have their own merits and serve different purposes depending on the specific analysis required. Why is this distinction so important right now? We're about to enter a few months when home prices could possibly be lower than they were the same month last year. April, May, and June of 2022 were three of the best months for home prices in the history of the American housing market. Those same months this year might not measure up. That means the year over year comparison will probably show values are depreciating. The numbers for April seem to suggest that what we'll see in the months ahead. To view the graph, please go to my blog at askbobgersh.com. That'll generate troubling headlines that say home prices are falling. That'd be accurate on a year-to-year basis. And those headlines will lead many consumers to believe that home values are currently cascading downward. However, on a closer look at month over month home prices, you can see prices have actually been appreciating for the last several months. Those month over month numbers more accurately reflect what's truly happening with home values. After several months of depreciation, it appears we hit bottom and are bouncing back. To view the graph of the month over month home price movements for the last 16 months from the CoreLogic Home Price Insights report, go to my blog at askbobgersh.com. What does this matter to you? So if you're hearing negative headlines about home prices, remember, they may not be painting the full picture. For the next few months, we'll be comparing prices to the last year's record peak. And that may make year-to-year comparison feel more negative. But if we look at the more immediate month-over-month trends, we can see home prices are actually on the way back up. There's an advantage of buying a home now. You'll buy at a discount from last year's price and before prices start to pick up even more momentum. It's called buying at the bottom, and that's a good thing. The bottom line: If you have questions about what's happening with home prices, or if you're ready to buy before prices climb higher, let's connect. This is Bob Gersh with East Coast Capital. We do this blog, video, and podcast Monday through Friday at AskBobGersh.com. If you'd like to connect with me, please go to AskBobGersh.com and have a great day, a great rest of the week. Enjoy life. And if I can be of any service to anyone, just reach out to me through AskBobGersh.com. If you do see me at the local coffee shop, say hi, tap me on the shoulder. Let's sit down, have coffee, and talk about whatever you like to talk about. Until next time, just enjoy life. Thank you.